Yeah, so we're about to do a deep clean at this restaurant. So we're going to start from the sidewalk. This is where they put out the garbage. Over a period of time, all that nasty built up. Look at the door. How nasty it is. Going inside the building. Yeah. And this is where all the garbage store till they're ready to put it outside. And all this, we're going to clean that, deep clean. We're trying to get ahead of the inspector. All that floor, deep clean. All that stairs, we're about to do it. All up in that area, all that, deep clean. So we're gonna start to lay down soap, degreaser. See this floor? You see this floor? These chefs, they don't clean up after themselves. Right in front of the stove. Nastiest chef, right? Right? See? They don't clean up. Never clean up their station. So, we're about to do deep clean now. Jody, I need to get rid of these nasty chef. You need to wash down the kitchen before you go home. Look at the floor. Okay, so we're drying up now. When it dry, we'll much better. And then we're gonna come back and wipe down the walls. But look at the difference in the floor. Yeah, look at the difference. Yeah, pushing off the water so they get ready. See Angie, one of my better workers. Say hi, Angie.
Hi.
Okay. Angie hard working. She do 2 shifts. Later she'll go somewhere else, go do 3 hours. Yeah. This is outside. Okay, so this is the last job in New York for this setup. This is going to Florida. Yeah.